Linking your bank account to Heritage Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Visit the Heritage Bank website. Go to the official Heritage Bank website using your preferred web browser. Look for the option to log in or access your online banking account. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your Heritage Bank online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Link New Account. Look for an option that says Link New Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your external bank account. Step 5. Enter bank details. Provide the required information for your external bank account, such as the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit the request to link the account. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation that your bank account has been successfully linked to Heritage Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.